Hello everyone, it's Luna's Rasoi here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make original orange chicken at home. To start off with, I have a mix of chest and thigh chicken. I feel like when you cut the meat into about 1-inch cube, it kind of gives you the best texture out of every bite and also retains the best moisture. As a result, by using dark meat helps to keep that moisture while also leaving a crispy exterior on the outside. By using the wet batter to coat the chicken, it gives a little bit of aeration to the crust and also coats the chicken better. The batter itself has lots of leavening agents such as an egg. We also use 2 cups of all-purpose flour to help have some sort of crust with the wheat and 1 cup of corn flour so that there is a crunch. We also add 1 teaspoon of salt and black pepper strictly for flavor. After pouring in the egg, you want to mix it up with the dry ingredients until you get a dough-like consistency. To that, you want to pour in slowly 2 cups of water. Make sure you do this in several parts. You then want to pour in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This will help to give it some shine and moisture. Now you want to cover the chicken in the batter. Once coating all the chicken pieces in the batter, you want to stir it very gently. You now want to rest the chicken for about 30 minutes, covering it with cling wrap. This will help the batter soak up into the chicken pieces. After 30 minutes, you're ready to fry your chicken. We actually want to fry the chicken in batches at 350 degrees, roughly about 20 to 25 pieces at a time, so the pan doesn't get overcrowded. You want to at least fry the batches for 6 minutes. One of the things that is also very crucial is the shade of color, because as you fry it in the pan, by the time you take it out and rest it, it is going to go 1 shade darker, so you want to go a little bit lighter on the chicken pieces. Make sure you stir the chicken quite frequently before you take it out of the pan. After more than 6 minutes, or at least 6 minutes, you can take off the fried chicken. Continue to fry the batches of chicken until there is none left. Arguably, every fried chicken needs a sauce, so to prepare for that, I'm going to pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of ginger. Then you want to pour in 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. After that, you want to pour in 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1/3 cup of white sugar. You then want to pour in 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Vinegar is important because it adds potency to the sauce. So when you do boil it early, the vinegar comes off and you wouldn't get a smell. This is important because when you go to shops, you can smell orange chicken because of its vinegar. After that, you want to pour in 1 cup of orange juice. Orange juice helps to give a tangy flavor and some acidity. Next, you want to pour in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Once the soy sauce has been incorporated in the sauce, you want to then pour in a mixture of water 3 tablespoons and corn flour 2 tablespoons, and you want to mix that very slowly into the sauce. Once the sauce has developed a syrup consistency, you want to pour in the chicken when it is still nice and hot, and when you drop it into the sauce, it will start to absorb it. For that reason, it could be a little bit wetter, and the sesame oil that you pour in gives an extra sheen to the chicken and a nuttiness flavor. Once your chicken has been coated in the sauce, you're ready to plate. And you're done. You have created a beautiful orange chicken dish. One of the reasons why I think this dish is so iconic is because of the certain nostalgia between the taste of sweet and sour. But it really depends on your preference. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And if you want, turn on the notification button so you're notified every time I make a new video. And once again, thank you for watching and goodbye.